Hello everyone. I hope everyone having a blessed day. Today is Saturday. Guys, as you can see, I am at the laundromat. I'm in here by myself, but people are washing. They left their clothes. So I am being their attendance today. That's a joke. But they said could I wash their clothes while they go do a little shopping? I said, sure, why not? While I'm here, I'm charging up my oh, I dropped my shirt. Seen something fell from the corner of my eye. Scared me. I forgot I had that on. Blocked the sun off my arms. I'm charging my Blue Eddy. Let's see how much it's. Oh, it's up 100%. But I'm still washing. So while you washing, just bring all your power stuff and charge it up while you washing. And another thing I want to say to you guys, I appreciate everyone who going to my new channel. It's not a new channel, it's just a channel I'm working on. It's gonna be more like a where I help people channel, where I'm helping. So go over there, subscribe, hit the like button, watch the video. That will help out some people. That's all I want you to do, subscribe and watch. That will help out getting the van because of I need to get up 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch views to get monetized, and all that way I can get money in that way, and all the money that come in from that channel will be donated, or I would go buy like water, toilet, tissue, paper towel, soap, toothbrush, and toothpaste, and put it in a bag and just give it out when I see someone. Like it's a man up there where I'm camping at, he in a tent. So I stop and ask him, do we need anything? He just said some water and ice. So I'm going to get him some water and ice. He did offer to give me the money. I said, no, I will pay for it. I will get you the water and ice. And another thing, guys, what's for me is for me, and what's for other guys, what's for you is for other people. We are all different. We do our YouTube channels in different ways. I see a lot of people taking a break, and that's all right. A lot of YouTube Vanlife, they take a break and they come back. Guys, you don't know what's going on in people's lives these days. So try to respect that. And when I see some of the Vanlifers taking a break, you know what I do? I said, they are human. We all sometimes need a break. I do not unsubscribe to them. I do not. Because you don't know what a person going through. Why? It's not going to hurt me. They already have the subscriber they need to get monetized. So why unsubscribe? I already watched them. Don't make me mad that, they don't do videos. Why? Why would I get upset because somebody don't do a video? That's their channel. They can run it the way they want to run it. With that being said, I've been busy, and I do a lot of volunteer, and I help a lot of people. So when I'm doing that, I try to give them my 100% when I'm feeling good. So what's more important to me is helping people and giving them my 100% than picking up a video and saying, this people going through this people need help. Some people don't like to be on share their business, and that's them, and I respect that. So right now, Arizona. I always talked about Arizona. People say, why do you want to go to Arizona? You always talk about it's hot. It's hot. Hey, I lived in Florida. It was hot. It's hot everywhere. So it's hot. Sometimes you have to take stuff. You have to take it. I take a lot of stuff. So if I can take some bull crap from people, I can take this hotness that God provides for us. That I know legit. Only thing I say when you come to Arizona, just get your hat, a lot of dust, some shoes, boots, whatever, and a long shirt, cause you will get burnt. At night it's pretty cool. I sleep good. I sleep good at night. It's I put on a little pair of shorts, a little t-shirt, and I have a bigger fan and a small fan. I run the small fan. And I sleep pretty good. I came and ate breakfast and went to the dollar store to pick up, something to make a sandwich. And then I got some, sandwich meat. I got some for me and the older gentleman. He in a tent. I'm like, he don't have a car. How do you get? I stopped and talked to him before I left out. I said, how you get around? He just said, the people in the camp where he camping at, they'll come by and offer him and ask him, do he need something? Let me go back in. Guys, that's what I'm saying. You never know when people need help. That could be anyone out there in that tent. It's a small tent. That could be anyone out there in that small tent. And like I say, whatever for you guys, whatever for me. I love my 6,000, almost 7,000 subscribers. I love it. I appreciate every last one of you guys who stay with me. I appreciate every last one of you guys. I do, and I miss you. I'm sending virtual hugs to everyone. But like I say, be kind. Me myself, me personally, I don't edit, so you're gonna get my blumper when I'm trying to talk. I get tongue-tied sometimes. I sometimes don't pronounce the words because as I do video, I'm still not comfortable doing videos. Until I get comfortable, you'll see the change in me, in my voice, that is. People don't know I joke. I'm a joker. I joke. I act silly sometimes. But life is good. I'm doing good. So thank you everybody for their concern. There's nothing wrong with my life. I'm in so far pretty good health. Hey, what I turned 64. I'm able to just jump in my van and leave. So now the help is over, what I needed the help with. So I said, let me go to Arizona. I like this town. It's small. It's just small. If I can stay in it, the Western, I love the Western mood. My son, Beyonce, she always say, you looking at the Western? That's what my dad like. You looking at the old pictures? Yes. My son walked in the room one day talking about Perry Mason. Perry Mason. That sound like Perry Mason. You looking at, I like the old movies. I like them. No violence, and just a little Western, you might see a little Indian, but, that was back then. But like I said, guys, just have an open heart and a conscience. Just be kind. Don't forget, people go through stuff. You never know what they're going through. It don't mean they mad at you. It just sometimes they fasting. They food fast, they people fast. I'm a people fast. I fast. I just shut down. I just start concentrating on what I'm feeling. I'm trying to see, is it the devil? Is it the God? They're telling me to go here, to do this. So what I do, I shut down. I remove everyone around me and just listen. And stop being in a hurry, just listen. I was in a hurry once before, it didn't play out too well. And then when I stopped listening to God, hey, he took some things he had gave me away, some very good instincts and some common sense. Yes, I used to could see. I'm not getting into that, but I really don't talk about religions or politics on my channel because they are so touchy situation. But I do believe in God. I truly do. He has really touched me. When I say touch me, I mean physically touch me. So you guys can kind of imagine what I'm talking about there. But with that said, I want to say just go to my other channel at Sunshine Bills. That's to help someone else to receive that van right there. That van. Well, for now, I've been on here rambling, just a little too much. So for now, hope everyone have a blessed weekend. And thank you so much. I do appreciate you guys. So to you, from me to my Debbie guys, virtuous hugs, and guess what? Bye, 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 bye. Love you. Sharing is caring.